Hello guys, in this video we are going to discuss the solution of the problem triplet family. So let us look at the problem statement. The problem statement says given an array ARR of integer, find whether three numbers are such that the sum of two elements equals the third element. For instance, if this is the array which is given to us, as we can see there exists a triplet. The pair sum is 1, 2 and the sum of these two elements equals to 3, because of which we are returning true. In the case it is not possible to find a triplet or there isn't exist a triplet in the array, then in such case we are supposed to return false. So that's about the problem statement, folks. Now let us discuss the solution of this problem. So the general idea behind solving this problem is, first we are going to sort the array. After sorting an array, we are supposed to find I, j and k such that ARRI plus ARRJ equals to ARRK. So let us see how we can do that. So for that, let us take an example. Let us say the array which is given to us is this. So our first objective is to sort the array. After sorting the array will look something like this. And then we are going to find I, j and k such that ARRI plus ARRJ equals to ARRK. So for that, what we are going to do is we are going to take a k pointer and we are going to set the k pointer towards the end of the array. So this becomes our k pointer. And then we are going to take I and j. So I will be at the beginning of the array and we are going to set j is equals to k minus 1. So j will be over here. So essentially the objective over here is, in this array we are going to find a pair such that the sum of the pair equals to ARRK. And the way we find a pair such that the sum is equals to ARRK is essentially, so all we have to do is we have to just compute ARRI plus ARRJ, and if this is equals to k, then in such case we are going to return true. Otherwise, if this is not equals to k, then there exist two possibilities over here. The first possibility is ARRI plus ARRJ is less than k. So the sum of these two elements, so for instance if you see in this example, the sum of the element 10 plus 4 is equals to 14 and we are looking for the sum to be equals to 18. So over here, as we can see, 14 is less than 18, because of which we need to increase the sum. So how do we increase the sum? Well, the way we are going to increase the sum is by incrementing I. So in this case, where ARRI plus ARRJ is less than ARRK, in such case we just have to increase I by 1. Otherwise, if it becomes greater than k, then in such case we just have to decrease j by 1. And in this way we will be able to find a pair such that ARRI plus ARRJ equals to ARR. So that's the discussion of solution, folks. Now let us discuss the pseudocode of this problem. So let us say we want to find a triplet and an array is given to us. So the first thing which we are going to do is we are going to sort the array. After sorting the array, let us take k equals to len of ARR minus 1, and then we are going to iterate on k while k is greater than or equals to 0. And then let us take I and j. So let us set I equals to 0 and j is equals to k minus 1. And then we are going to iterate on the array while I is less than j. If ARRI plus ARRJ equals to ARRK, then in such case we just have to return true. Otherwise, it might be possible that ARRI plus ARRJ is less than ARRK. In such case, we just have to increase our I by 1. Otherwise, we just have to decrease our j by 1. And let us say we have exhausted the loop and we were not able to find such a triplet. In such case, we just have to return false. So that's the pseudocode, folks. Now let us see how we have implemented this in Python and C++. So first let us look at the Python implementation. Over here, first we are sorting the array, then I equals to length of array minus 1, and then we are iterating on I while I is greater than or equals to 0. Then j equals to 0 and k equals to I minus 1, and then we are checking whether ARRJ plus k equals to ARRI. If that is the case, then return true. Otherwise, either we increase j by 1 or decrease k by 1. And if we are not able to find such a triplet, then we are returning false. So that's the Python implementation, folks. Now let us submit our solution. So our Python solution got accepted. Now let us look at the C++ implementation. So the C++ implementation is also the same, folks. First we are sorting the array, then we are iterating on the array from I equals to n minus 1 to all the way till 0. Then we are looking for a pair such that arrj plus k equals to arri. If we found such a pair, then we are returning true. Otherwise, either j will be increased by 1 or k will be decreased by 1. Towards the end, if we are not able to find such a triplet, then we are returning false. So that's the C++ implementation, folks. Now let us submit our solution. So our C++ implementation also got accepted. That is all from this video, folks. In case if you have any question or comment regarding this video, please feel free to use the comment section and I'll try to address them. Thank you.